On the main app menu, arm the system to begin the testing phase. Wait 5 minutes to verify the PIR sensor is ready for detection. Remove the PIR sensor cover. The PIR sensor LED will blink, indicating movement is detected. If your MyShield has a camera, it will start recording, and the area will be illuminated if dark. An alarm will sound on the mobile phone. An audio announcement will sound 3 times. Enter the mobile app and you will see a red intrusion screen. Now press Actions and select the relevant MyShield from the list. If your MyShield has a camera, you will see the video. Press Deploy MyShield to simulate the release of smoke. An audio announcement will sound 3 times. The smoke release door opens and the canister simulator beeps. If your MyShield has a camera, a confirmation photo of the area is taken.